Hey guys, so I have this Nintendo Switch for quite a while, and recently I have been experiencing a little bit of a trouble with the Joy-Con joystick, especially the one on the right. As you can see, it has a mind of its own. So we're gonna check real quick to show you guys how messed up this joystick is. We're gonna click on calibrate, and we're gonna press the joystick. As you can see, it travels to the left and also downward. Okay, so I tried everything to try to fix this problem, so I ended up buying a replacement joystick for the Joy-Con, and that's what we're gonna do today. I bought this from eBay, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to replace a Joy-Con joystick. Okay, this came in this little box, and it has the two screwdrivers that are needed, the one with the Y tip, if you will, and the one with the cross or X tip, and it also has the joystick, of course. This is a generic joystick and it's real cheap. It kind of looks exactly the same as the one I'm gonna be replacing. So let's just get started. Right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 4 screws that are on the back of the Joy-Con, and we're gonna be using the Y tip. I'm just gonna do this real quick. And after that, you're gonna pry open the Joy-Con. I'm using a plastic tool that I have for this purpose. Just when you open it, you gotta be careful with the ribbon cables that are connected. Next thing you want to do is take out the battery. It's real easy to take out. Just fold it up, and then you got 3 screws that you need to remove. These screws are removed so we can access the joystick. We're gonna remove the cover in a little while. We're gonna put these screws aside so we don't lose them. So here we go. I'm just gonna pull right here, and just gonna I found out that there is a ribbon cable around the left side of the cover, so we're just gonna take this piece off so we can work more easily on removing the cover. What you need to do is twist it a little bit, right, like so. Just be careful not to rip out that ribbon cable. And there you have it. This is the back side of the joystick, and it's held in place by 2 screws. And I'm just gonna use my regular screwdriver, because the one that came with the package doesn't seem to work quite well. I just have to apply a lot of pressure, and I don't want to do that. So take out the 2 screws and then move on to the next step, which is to disconnect the joystick. Alright, to do this, there is a small latch that you gotta lift so the cable can be freed from that connection. I'm just gonna do this a couple times so you can see it's a little piece. Just slide a screwdriver or a plastic tool and just lift the cover like so, and there you have it. Now remove the joystick. The joystick has like a little film around it, maybe to prevent dust from entering the unit. And once you do that, just a little pull, and there you go. Next, we're gonna replace the joystick. As you can see, it's pretty much looks the same like the one we're gonna be using to replace it with. So to connect the cable, just try to slide it in gently. Once you got it in place, you maybe can push it a little bit with a plastic tool, but just a little bit, and really careful not to break anything. And to close, just put down the latch, and there you go, fully connected. Now all you have to do is put the 2 screws back on. You want to make sure that everything fits in place, and then you're gonna put the screws back on. And this is of course the reverse of the disassembly process. I'm gonna put the cover back on, and then we're gonna put the battery and the screws. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Right, and just close the lid, put the last 4 screws on the back of the Joy-Con controller, and there you have it. Press the buttons to see if the controller is turning on, and there you go. As you can see, it looks almost exactly the same. So let's test it out. We're gonna go to system settings, and we're gonna scroll down to controllers and sensors. We're gonna go and update the controllers, and it says that no update is needed. So we're just gonna press on calibrate, press the Joy-Con that we just replaced, and as you can see, it works perfectly. So that's it, folks. A quick replacement. This took less than 5 minutes to accomplish. Everyone can do it. This is my first time doing it, and it works perfectly. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and also if you have questions, drop me a line. I'll try to answer it right back. Okay, so that's all for now. Take care.